Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to plan the next upcoming week in my Pocket Traveler's Notebook, August 19th through the 25th. And I'm so excited because it's back to school week, and so I get to use my back to school Shine Sticker Studio Luna and Star Go Back to School kit, and I'm over the moon, you guys. It's so cute. So come along and let's plan. I really have been meaning to get into my Pocket Traveler's Notebook and make a video where I redo my dashboards. I need to get on that. Get on that, Emily. Mental note. That is how last week turned out. I think it's so cute. That was using a Shine Sticker Studio from Michael's weekly planner kit. And those were not pocket-sized stickers, so this kit I actually ordered from her website, and it is a pocket-size kit, meaning that that sticker size sheet is the size of a pocket notebook, so you can slip it like under your string in your traveler's notebook and it becomes kind of like portable. Like you can keep it with your in your traveler's notebook so that you can add to your plans, which I think is really cool. I have to trim these. You saw the last time I used the I think it was the lemonade stand kit, so I just trim a little bit off the days of the week. And then I use the dot. A very kind subscriber said last time, why don't you use the dot and then write the date in the little dot that you cut off? Genius. I don't know because I'm a moron. So I did that this time. Worked perfectly. So I continue to do that all the way across, and I just think it's so cute. These primary colors, I can't, you guys. You're going to hear the word cute so many times that you want to slap me in the face. I can't. This is I think it's a Pigma Micron. I don't know if it's the permanent one, but I just am writing the dates in black. So, whoop-de-doo. I don't know what it is with Shine Sticker Studio, but I've just been obsessed, you guys. That little weekend crayon. Oh, it's so cute. I put it down at the bottom. And then there was that actually came from the July little freebie card, that little back to school. So our first day back is the 23rd. And then there was Star with a little apple and Luna with her backpack. And then another little apple. So I'm throwing in some deco. And then I am going to cut a little to-do box. And the way I kind of tackled this was I selected like boxes from the kit to put where I knew that we had plans. So I laid it out like that, and then at the end I write in all of the plans on our boxes. So I did make a cheeky little order to Shine Sticker Studio a couple days ago, but this time I ordered a Hobonichi Weeks kit because I'm thinking that those stickers might be actually better size for the layout of my weeks that I use in here than the pocket stickers are. So we will see. I'm curious about this experiment. But because you can see that the full boxes are bigger obviously than, the boxes of my little weekday, which is totally fine. It doesn't bother me. I know I know which day that it goes with, but I do think that the pocket might be interesting, or the Hobonichi Weeks kit, because I think that the boxes are a little bit smaller because the weeks, the days of the week in the Hobonichi Weeks are a lot more slender, squished in than they are, in other things. So I thought maybe we'd give it a shot. So I end up putting a box here, but then I just think it looks too crowded next to that other box, so I take it out, and I ended up doing some kind of cutting apart of different stickers and using some of the checklists. I cut them apart and then used an apple with the little flag on it to mark something. And I thought that was a really cool idea. That little bow ended up, it was supposed to be kind of like a banner, but I cut the little banner off of it, and I used that to mark my daughter's brownie bridging ceremony on the 25th, and then another box to mark my son's birthday dinner that we'll have on Sunday. So now I'm just using my Sarasa Select pen, and I'm just writing in all of our plans. And later in the video, I will show you my new pen because I got a new 5-barrel Sarasa Select pen because my Coleto was annoying me because it was too scratchy. So instead of buying new refills for my Coleto that were like a 0.5, instead of the 0.3 I had gotten, I decided to buy a whole new pen, as you do. So I'm just writing in our plans using my pen, and I like it because it's got all of my colors, you know, because I like to color code. And as long as I can still kind of use my color code, even with the stickers, I do like it. Hey, heavy breather, can you please go downstairs while I finish this, please?
Can I say hi?
Yeah, smack your gum, say hello, and then go downstairs while I finish. All right?
Hi.
Hi, there we
Bye.
go. Bye. I'll be right down, and then we'll go.
Bye-bye.
Okay, alrighty. So, just writing in those plans. I'm going to work with Michael on Saturday, so that'll be a good time. And then, like I said, cutting apart some of those little Apple to-do lists to mark things on my on the to-do side of the banner. Like scheduling a makeup tumbling session because it overlaps with Addie's brownie bridging. And then I'm throwing in the decoration stickers because they're so cute. Oh my gosh. I just got lucky this time that 2 of the big boxes fit in there, and it just looked adorable. I'm in love with this spread. I think it's the cutest thing ever. I had one more full list of the apples, so I stuck that on Monday where it was kind of blank. And then cut another little one for the to-do list and reminded myself that we'll need to pick up Henry's glasses next week. Oh, my boy, he has glasses. He doesn't have to wear them all the time, but just for distance stuff, and he looks so cute. If he was cute before, he's like cute magnified by 1,000, and he's just so, he thinks they're the coolest thing, and I'm like, yes, you're right, they are the coolest thing. So, and don't let anybody tell you different. So that was exciting. We went there today. We actually went to Costco to pick them out, and it was a really good deal. So if you have to get back to school glasses for your kids, go check out Costco. We ended up getting 2 pairs for like $120 or something like that, including all the coatings on the lenses and stuff. So that was a good deal. This is the box for the Sarasa Select, for the Zebra Select pen that I ordered. That clear barrel is the Coleto one. So that I chose the pastel barrel for my new Zebra one, and then I think they have 3-barrel, 4-barrel, and 5-barrel, but I chose the 5 because I just happen to have 5 color coding colors that I like to have on me. So the Coleto, I do intend to order some bigger tip sizes.
I can't. I don't know why. Why is that word so funny to me?
So that I can use it some more. But the 0.3 are extremely scratchy. I thought I could live with it, but turns out I can't. Can't live with it. And I'm just telling you the colors that I ordered. I think I ordered, it was like a light green, light pink, orange, or a red orange, I can't remember, blue green, and then a cobalt blue, I think were the colors that I got. And once again in the 0.5. And they also sell a 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5 for those pen sizes, but I was like, I'm not making the same mistake twice, so I went with the 0.5, and I really enjoy it. I liked that, the way that the pen wrote. So, good deal. I'm sliding my week back into my traveler's notebook, and I'm dying over it. I think it's so cute, and I'm excited for the kids to go back to school. This made me even more excited. I hope you guys are having a great end of summer and that you're making your plans and getting them in your planners. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. Thanks, guys.